Hey guys, sorry for the long delay there. Um, gosh, I have a package that came in here. Okay, hold on, I'm trying to get something here. Get up D live here, see who's online with me and anything. Okay, I'm pretty sure everybody can hear me. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay. Looks like we had a couple of people here earlier. Andy what is his name? That is his name, Andy what? And Kay, and he says he was just on. Have a great stream. I can hear you. Oh, I'm still here. Oh, okay. How you doing, guys? All right. Let's get things started here. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm late. I'm about 27 minutes late. Sorry about that. I was just looking through the stuff that I got from Bag Randall. He gave me a model. The model happens to be a V8 engine, a long time engine that Rebuild made. I think it's just before that got changed over to something else. Let me put this down here. Okay, what do we got? Okay, we got this. The How to Auto Engine Works. The kind of V8 engine that Randall gave me was the kind that actually it's motorized and it lights up. This is the long time one. The new version of it it's not electric. They don't have like the lights in it or anything. They just have a crankshaft and that's about it. Nothing much. The instructions are right here. And let's see what we got here. Apparently, it's a little different from the one I had. Okay, this is supposed to be the so-called clear glass. This clear glass is more smoke, and the way I used to remember it is that it used to be just all total clear, not this smoke stuff. And I don't know why they put that in there, but okay, I'll put this somewhere. More engine parts. Wish I can see what they look like and all. Some of them fell off their sprue and they're like all over the place. Okay. Just to let you guys know, I may be live on here, but right now it will be aired on YouTube. Okay, this is the I think it's a transmission here and all. That's what I like. I want to try to get the transmission. It's all like the chassis, you know. You get if you put this on the chassis. And this is the transmission. So you can actually transfer from this type of transmission, which is in red, to the one that's clear. I love to have that one. Okay. Okay, the wire, ooh, it comes with a screwdriver. I know I got a screwdriver on mine. Okay, regular stock. Okay, components. These have the red light bulbs. And I'm there thinking, if I can find out the size it is, maybe I can put a LED light instead of these in there instead. That'll be a challenge. Hey, how you doing, sir? Yourself. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm not exactly reading the comments here. I'll try as much as I can. Okay, so that's the bulbs and everything. There should be like 8 of them. Okay. Put that down. Okay, grab bag. I'll put this in the Ziploc. Ooh. Okay, that's not good. Take a look at that. Some of the parts in there, I think something get broke off. I'll find out what they are and find out where they belong to. And these are the interiors. Pistons, crankshaft, and these things right here. And that's not all. Oh, what's that? Pardon me. What Nintendo Switch game should my wife's boyfriend get me for Christmas? I hate to tell you, I haven't the foggiest idea. I'm not much into the games stuff and all. I was back then when I used to. I don't know if you remember or recall anybody's calling this in television. We used to have that, and that was the latest craze back then, right along with Nintendo. And they were pretty good for the heyday that they were back in 1986, I believe. Yeah, back then, that far. Okay, let me see if there's anything else in here. Okay, these. I think I better be very careful about these. Here, look like you go into something careful. Mower. Ooh. For this. Nope. Fine. Thing. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, more of this stuff right here. These are gears to put something. And that's about it. Now, for that. Where's that Ziploc? Yeah, sorry about the background and all this. I don't have a background for you. Dump these guys in here since they are loose. Okay, and that's that. I have just completed all the parts for the Firebird, spacecraft Firebird. And the last one is the real long runway. And this is it. This is how big it is. It's actually, our runway is a little bit longer. So here. Okay, yeah. Pardon me. It's actually longer out this way. For some of you should know. Huh? What I did is a piece of wood, obviously, and I cut it to the size, and I had customized decals. You can actually customize your own decals with no problem. By 8.5 decal sheets, 8.5 clear, and you put them in your printer, make it work. But you can also, before you do that, you might want to go into your programming and you can actually put in your words on there. Big words like these. So this is better. However, I'm thinking about changing up the situation. Okay, the reason why I'm going to change it up because this doesn't really look it. I have a feeling that maybe perhaps the word should have been. Sorry about that. Like maybe like the F here and then down with the word say Firebird and S SS. As long as I get it in the middle, I guess I should be fine. But we'll save that for maybe another one. And right now, okay, when you have it on your program computer, which is very simple, we'll just get to the word processor and change up the font size. Once you change the font size up and you're happy about it, then you can figure out the type of font that you want. Imperial, which is your standard letters, and I don't know how you pronounce it. Mine's like slanted, but there's a name for it. I think it's called ethic, something to that effect. That's what it's called. And I double layered it. I wrote the word SS Firebird first in red, and then wrote it again, and then plopped it on top of it. And that's how it looks. Wish it would look like a block letter, but it looks kind of 3D like. That's why I gave it. I don't know if you can see it. That's what it looks like. Okay, do we have anybody else in here? No, that's it. Okay. I don't know, but I loved how it turned out. So far that's about it. And we took about 15 minutes, so okay, good, that's good. Okay, maybe I should start saying this now. Okay, if you want to follow me on YouTube, the description is in the description box of D Live, so you'll see it right from there. And if you wanted to support me, the description is right there as well. And if you are on YouTube, no, you have right now YouTube right now. You're listening to this. The description will be in the below as well. And that's about it. And that's it for now, wise. So I'm happy where everything's going and everything. So I guess that's about it. So, alright. Time's up. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.